today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson Expression Premium XP-810 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Expression Premium XP-810 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson XP-810. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down here, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package. Go ahead and proceed to download that file. And then once it's on your system, just go ahead and open up the file to run it. And it should be a signed verified publisher from Epson once you receive a user account control prompt. And select yes, and then proceed with this installer here. It'll give you options to configure your printer, whether you want to use wired or wireless printing, as well as optional features. So you can see this file does contain everything you need to use your Epson XP-810. Select OK, and then just proceed with the install wizard, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.